I've got MEIZU M8c, and let me show you how to activate easy mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select device tab, and below you will locate easy mode. Just click on it, and if you truly want to activate easy mode, which will employ a simpler home screen layout and larger fonts, just click on enable. And that's it. As you can see, now you've got easy mode included, and you can use your device a bit more comfortably. So this is it. Then whenever you would like to switch off this mode, just go to the settings and select easy mode right here. Click on exit to switch off easy mode and confirm it by tapping on exit. And that would be all. That's how you can smoothly and easily activate and deactivate easy mode on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.